What are you thinking about, baby man? You want to show off your daddy? Let's show daddy what a good boy you are. Let daddy take a good look at that baby. You gonna raise up your little head again? You're good. Look, you want look at daddy? Say hi, daddy. Look, that's daddy's boy. There's daddy's boy. Look at you moving around. Look at you. Look how strong you are. Oh, look at you trying to sit up. Oh, my strong baby. Look at the strong baby. Look at it holding its head up, and it's only 6 days old. Oh, look at that baby. Look how strong he is. Look how strong that baby is. You sweet boy. Oh, show daddy. Show daddy that you like to eat your thumb. Sit here next to me. Little big old feet. Hi, Boo Boo. Hi. Hi, Boo Boo. Look at there. You looking at your mommy? What you thinking about, buddy? You look very serious. It's a very serious face. You're very serious, baby. Oh, let's not lose control of the head. What's up, baby? Oh. Bless you. Bless you. Oh, that baby's sleepy. And these big old feet with the big old piggies. Big old piggies. Oh, is that baby getting hungry? Here. Yeah. He couldn't eat for a day. They gave him pacifiers. So he's trying to nurse on my neck. I don't know if he's comfort nursing. Because he just nursed on both sides. It's not been by every hour. He's been eating about every 2 hours. But
I bet that's what it is.
yeah, I need to wash it though.
Want to wash that thing off?
Wash what thing off?
It's pacifier.
Yeah, it's binky.
I tried to get him to.
Look,
I did take his hand, but he won't keep it in there.
Yeah.
Just trying to sit now.
You know, we're on video right now. Okay. No, I just didn't know if you wanted to be on video. Like your voice. Yeah. Look at him.
fingers. Keep them fingers.
Let's let Daddy see.
Keep them fingers.
Let's let Daddy see.
Aw. Keep them
Aw.
fingers. Keep them fingers. Bend your fingers, Stephanie. He likes his right hand, I think.
What is it, my boo-boo?
You're a Chinese looking baby. You look Chinese.
Let me put this. Let's put this right here. Will you hold that? So we can get some good pictures of his little face, and I'll angle it. Ooh, ooh.
That ain't look.
Yeah, he tries to sit up all by his little self. There you go. Look up here. Look up here. Oh, you're pooping, aren't you? That baby's trying to poop. We got your first on camera poop. I know. Here, let's get you stretched out here so Daddy can see that whole baby. Look there. Look there. Look at that baby. Look at that baby. Say hi, Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. You gonna smile for Daddy? Give him a grin. You gonna give Daddy a smile? You got big feet like Daddy. Look at these feet. See, look at these big old feet. Beep, beep, beep. Am I making that baby mad? Am I making that baby mad? You gonna give Daddy a cry so he can hear what you sound like? Hmm? Okay. Here, Daddy's got some stuff to watch.